Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by targeting missions that explicitly list power cells as rewards. This is the only reliable path. Once you've confirmed the reward, raise the power level to increase drop rates and pick missions with multiple chest spawns. Make sure your squad and hero perks favor resource drops and survivability so you can clear encounters quickly. Immediately head to the map objective after loading. Prioritize chests, mini-objectives, and encampments because those consistently yield power cells early in the run. Once done with the initial phase, focus on efficient zone control. Sweep encampments, finish defense waves fast, and flush enemies into predictable paths so you don't miss spawns. Make sure to open every chest and breakable container you encounter. Named chests and vaults have the best yield. If you have collection boosts or play with someone who is party lead, activate those bonuses before final pushes. Move deliberately between hotspots. Covering more objective types increases your chance of power cell rewards. Finally, secure mission bonus objectives and collect all end-of-mission caches before extraction. Rewards only appear after completion. Once done, note which mission types and maps gave you the best power cell yield and repeat those runs. Consistency beats chasing rare drops. If you're getting no cells, troubleshoot by switching hosts or servers to reduce lag, re-rolling the mission, or toggling collection boosts. These actions reset the conditions that influence RNG and usually resolve persistent no.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.